Hey guys, come read stuff with me from my fidget bowl. First up, we got this squishy. I'm choosing the ones I want to do. It's Pom Pom Purin. You can get it at Target. Well, not in Philippines, in America. I don't know if they have it in Target, but it's a Squishmallows. I'm gonna rate this one an 8 out of 10. I didn't really like the texture. Plus, it's too hard and it hurts my hands kind of. But I do like the look. Let's speed this up. Anyway, so yeah. Next up, we got mochis. Where's my mochis? Dun, 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 dun. I have another mochi. Where is it? Oh, I found it. I have 3 mochis. That's a paw, bear, and the back. That one is like, not really, because it's like sticking to my hands, you know what I'm saying? The chocolate, slime chocolate, and with a mini spoon. What happened? Ugh. Well, you know, like the smell or the texture, -1 out of 10. So spoon and the strawberry and the burger. Oh, my burger fell. And if I told you what this is, it's a leap bracelet. It might be disturbing. So I don't want to say it. So yeah, the pop it. 10 out of 10. I love it. This thing, pom pom ball. It scared me so bad. Oh my god. 9 out of 10, but could expected better from it because it's like kind of boring. This eraser cutter eraser. It's an eraser and it could be this thing at the same time. I just stabbed. Oh wait, I'm cutting my hair. Okay. Next we got our did I already say this? But all alone. This wonderful thingy with a burger and strawberry. Get out of there. A burger made out of clay. It's a burger, but you gotta bake it in the oven, not in the microwave. And the strawberry made out of clay too in this mini container. And this time we got some real fidgets. This squiggly thingy, whatever it's called. 8 out of 10, but could expect it better too. Where's my other one? There's DIY squishy I made. Where's the pencil squishy? I know I have one. Oh, there it is. DIY notebook squishy and the pencil squishy. 20 out of 10. I worked so hard on this. Yeah, and I think that's all for my fidget bowl. So yes, clean. Oh yeah, and this one, my mini canvas painting. It's canvas painting. No. 8 out of 10 because I kind of like it, but I could also like. It looks weird, kind of weirdo, but no offense to my painting. It's mine, not anyone else's. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this shorts, and have a great day. Bye.